This one says find the surface area of the smaller rectangle. So this time it's a little bit different. It's not a whole lot different, but instead of going from the original shape to the new shape, we have to look at going backwards. But we still first need to know the scale factor. So if I look at these measurements here, I see that on this one I don't really have any dimension except for this one right here. And so I'm going to have to find the corresponding side on this one over here, which is this. So to find the scale factor, I have new over old. So on this one, it's 8.7 over 2.9. So that's going to simplify down to 3. Okay, so the scale factor is 3, which means that from this way to that way, we multiplied by 3. Since we are looking at going to the reverse direction, I have to look at it as dividing by 3 or multiplying by 1/3. Okay? So now let's look at how to find the area. I know that area is measured in 2 dimensions, length times the width. So I have to multiply each dimension by this 1/3. So 1/3 times the length and 1/3 times the width. And that's going to equal 1/9 times the area. This is formula for area. And I'm going to plug in the surface area that I have here over there. So I have 1/9 times 288. And when I multiply 288 times 1/9, I get 32. So the surface area of this smaller rectangular prism is going to be 32 millimeters squared. That's your answer. Whoa. Okay, the only thing that's different on this one is instead of looking at the original and finding the new, we just did it backwards. So same process, just going backwards, and so we would have to, instead of multiply 3 times every dimension, we had to divide or multiply by 1/3 to every dimension because we're going backwards.